Astec is a company that we've been around almost 20 years, and we're a group of people who specialise in factory automation. So if we come to an event that is labelled Smart Factories, we would want to help people that delegates coming to this event. If they are manufacturers, we would like to help them understand where they are on their smart manufacturing journey, and then help them move to the next level. And what we find is that customers are at all possible levels possible stages on that journey. Every manufacturer is different, every company is different, every site is different. So it's just trying to understand what those customer pains are, etc., in their organisation, and how they can improve their processes, and that always means some form of automation.
So people can always add productivity and add efficiency to their factories, but it takes an individual approach each time. There's no cookie cutter approach to how you can go in and change things.
The cookie cutter approach is always the second stage. So you may well be able to cookie cutter solutions to make an overall solution for that customer. But there's never a one size fits all. You have to bring together, best of class solutions, whether that's machine control, whether it's line control, or whether it's actually manufacturing, whether it's processing automation and inventory control, MES solutions. They're individually cookie cuttered, but you have to then bring all the cookies together.
And so what does an event like this do for you? Is it a case of a selling job or an educational job?
Both. We may well have customers come into an event like this who know exactly what their pains are and what their challenges are, and also have an idea of how they want to solve them. That happens a lot. Customers tend to have some level of engineering, although that is reducing. They are looking for outsourced engineering more and more, but some level of engineering within an organisation will mean they actually know already what solution it is that they're looking for. Or if you've got certainly a smaller manufacturer, they often don't know what is out there, they don't know what the solutions might be, and they need to then, they're looking for guidance. And so that would then be the educational element, and hopefully lead into a longer sales cycle that will conclude in us providing a solution.
And I guess the way that technology moves so quickly, this really is a journey that we're on. We're never going to actually reach the destination, because the destination will keep moving forward.
I would agree with you totally. When you think there are always big wins. There will be significant pains in an organisation that mean you can improve efficiency or productivity by 5%, 10%, or these big numbers. But the smaller gains are where competitiveness comes in. If you were improving your process by 10%, you had a problem, a significant problem that was probably meaning that was a survival issue. But to compete with somebody in China or Poland, you've then got to look to be smart, not just look for those basic wins. And that's where I think, I forget who it was that coined the phrase, but the power of 1%. If you can keep looking for those 1%, then that's what can enable you to remain competitive on the global stage.